Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review my DIY chocolate bath soap and I will show you how to make it step by step. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need for this DIY soap: cocoa powder, vanilla essence optional, goat milk soap base, a mixing bowl, a spoon, a metal or glass bowl for melting a soap mold. Alright, now on to the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Cut the goat milk soap base into small pieces. It cuts so smoothly, super satisfying. Melt the soap using the double boiler method. Once melted, add 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. Mix well. Add the cocoa powder to the melted soap and mix thoroughly. Do this quickly before the soap started to set. Pour the mixture into soap mold. Let it sit for about 3 hours until fully set. Now let's talk about how it performed. Here's the review. It doesn't ladder much, so if you are looking for a bubbly soap, this might not be the option. And it's great for normal to dry skin. However, I don't recommend it for oily skin. The goat milk soap base doesn't seem effective enough for that. The soap is very gentle and mild, but it lasted me only about a week. So it feels a bit pricey for such a short uses of time. And honestly, it doesn't clean as thoroughly as I would like. That's my honest review of this DIY chocolate bath soap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.